In a world where adversity can ruin lives, there's a light that shines through the darkness. This is the story of the Depelex Smile Again Foundation. The story of transformation, empowerment, and newfound hope for burn victims. For over 20 years, the Smile Again Foundation has been a beacon of compassion and support for burn victims across Pakistan. A place where scars are healed and lives are rebuilt, step by step, heart to heart.
At Smile Again, we believe in the power of healing beyond scars. We started our journey 20 years back with the vision of restoring physical well-being, dreams, aspiration of these amazingly brave women.
With an unwavering commitment, the foundation has provided comprehensive rehabilitation programs. These include medical care, psychosocial support, and training for rehabilitation, helping these individuals rediscover their strength, confidence, and love for life.
जब मैं जल गई थी तो मैं अपने आप का हौसला ख़त्म कर गई थी। मैंने कहा कि मैं अब कभी सही नहीं हो पाऊँगी और ना ही कभी चल पाऊँगी। इतनी बहुत बुरी मेरी हालत हो गई थी। तो पहले बहुत ही मेरा चेहरा ख़राब, देखने के लायक नहीं था, बहुत ख़राब था। अब माशाल्लाह बहुत ही बेहतर हूँ मैं।
केस मैं शायद पता नहीं फोल्ड कर सकती कि ना, इन्हें मैंने वकील दिता है। हाले भी जदों मैंने ज़रूरत पौंदी उस बंदे नूं 34 साल सज़ा हुई है, इन्हां दी सपोर्ट दी वजह तो ही हुई है।
मेरा चेहरा जो है वो बुरी तरीके से झुलस चुका था और जीने की ख्वाहिश भी बाकी नहीं थी। मैं स्माइल अगेन फाउंडेशन की बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस को जो है वो दोबारा से डेवलप किया है और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं अपने बच्चों के साथ एक बहुत अच्छी लाइफ स्पेंड कर रही हूँ।
जब मैं ठीक हो गई फिर मेरे माँ बाप ने मेरी दूसरी शादी कर दी। मेरे मियाँ बूढ़े हैं, वो इतना काम नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए फिर मुझे इन्होंने रिक्शा लेके दिया। अब मैं रिक्शा चलाती हूँ जिससे मेरा घर चल रहा है, हम खुशहाल हैं।
जो मेरी सर्जरी है वो 15 हुई है और अब मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ और मैं जॉब के साथ साथ मैं स्पेशलिस्ट हेयर ड्रेसर हूँ और मैं बहुत अच्छे हेयर स्टाइल बनाती हूँ।
The impact goes beyond healing scars. With training workshops in various fields, these women are equipped with practical skills that empower them to start a new life. The Smile Again Foundation believes in nurturing survivors and thrivers. These women are not defined by their past, but by the potential within them waiting to be discovered. As the journey continues, so does the Foundation's commitment to holistic transformation. After the physical and emotional recovery comes the next stage, empowerment for a sustainable future. From being successful professionals to loving partners, these women are unfolding inspiring stories of resilience and transformation, proving that there is life beyond the pain. Many girls, after being fully treated, have been married, have become mothers, and are leading happy family lives. To raise awareness about the appalling crime of acid throwing, DSF actively participates in various online webinar sessions. Success stories and the challenges faced are communicated through social media, television channels, educational institutions, and other suitable public and private platforms. Notably, impactful social media campaigns are organized during Ramadan.
We cannot do this alone. It's the support of compassionate individuals like you who could make our mission successful. Your contribution, no matter how big or small it is, could make so much of a difference in somebody's life. It can bring a smile back on their faces.
By donating to the Smile Again Foundation, you're not just giving financial assistance, you're giving hope. You're helping these women rise above their circumstances, providing them with the resources they need to rebuild their lives. As we celebrate 2 decades of transformation, let's remember that every success story begins with a single step. Join hands with Smile Again Foundation in creating a world where burn victims are not just survivors, but strong, capable, and empowered individuals. Smile Again Foundation, spreading smiles, inspiring lives.